In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock the power of Google Sites by learning how to copy headers. This is a quick and straightforward process, perfect for those looking to duplicate their site layout with ease. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Google Sites dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you've logged into your Google account, head over to the Google Sites page where you can see all your projects listed. On the left side of the screen, you should see a menu with several options. One of these options will be labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This is a crucial step because it will take you to an overview of all the pages you currently have on your site. Now, as you look at your list of pages, hover your mouse over your homepage or any other page that contains the header you wish to copy. You'll notice three little dots appearing next to the page name. This is commonly referred to as the More Options menu, and it's a gateway to some neat features that are often overlooked. When you see these dots, go ahead and click them. This will open up a drop-down menu with additional actions you can perform on your page. In this menu, there should be an option labeled Duplicate Page. Click on it. By selecting Duplicate Page, you are effectively cloning the entire page, including the layout and, most importantly, the headers you want to replicate. This feature comes in handy when you're expanding your site or creating a consistent look and feel across different pages. Once you've clicked to duplicate the page, a new copy of the page will be created immediately. The default name of this newly created page is typically something like Copy of Original Page Name. However, to keep your site organized and to avoid any confusion, you have the opportunity to rename this page according to your needs. To do this, simply type the new name into the text field that appears after the page duplication process. It's an excellent way to ensure that each page is clearly labeled and easy to find later on. Remember to choose a name that aligns with the content or purpose of the page. This will save you time in the long run as your site grows. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully copied a header in Google Sites, creating a duplicate page that's ready for your custom content. Whether you're replicating for consistency or setting up a new branch of your site, this process makes it incredibly seamless. Thanks for tuning in today, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your website building endeavors smoother and more efficient.